Your fuel tank's on fire.
Look at this thing. This is an RC excavator. We picked it up off of Amazon, affiliate link in the description. As a kid, who doesn't want to drive a bulldozer or construction equipment through town, bulldozing everything in their path? Now I'm going to modify it first, but we should probably play with it. So what's better than one? Two excavators.
Oh, my bucket's on fire!
Oh no! Oh. Tattoo day.
Oh, I still got my water. It still works! I'm trying to bring you with me.
Alright, so these are pretty cool, but they're not cool enough. And also with these things you can use them for construction or demolition. So I have an idea for that.
Oh no!
So our double E excavator toy is now complete. We have the jerry-rigged flamethrower garbage onto it, and I'm gonna load it up for its first inaugural test. So we'll see what it does. So I made this funnel out of some aluminum foils. Now we're pouring gas inside of it. I should probably mention, don't ever try this at home, kids, because this is stupid and dangerous, but hey, I'm here to make entertaining content that's not for kids because of, you know, the YouTube regulations. So don't try this at home anyways. All right, I think it's time to go ahead and get lit.
my tail.
Check this out. My tiny whoop is tiny roasted.
Oh my gosh,
Look at those
this. Ow.
I'm gonna need a new frame. Sorry, Jesse. All right, so these things work pretty good. And I think the only thing left to do is burn down the town. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the town was a success. I think the dozers definitely came into town and did stuff. We got one more thing here. We got to fight off this tank army. So we're going to go and get the army assembled and we'll do that.
Your fuel tank's over there.
That was pretty epic. Let's go back to the shop and debrief. That smells bad. The toys are still in one piece, and it's been a while since we did one of these stupid, dangerous toy mods videos, so it's a great way to get back and started because we haven't made a video in a while.
Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah, don't try that at home. That was fun. These were just some jerry-rigged Amazon toys. Make sure you check out the affiliate link in the description if you want to help support the channel. It costs you nothing, well, other than the price of the toy, I guess. burn my toy down.
The fact that it like spit right there is pretty good.